positive for the environment and your profits. Introducing the Greenline Armor Hybrid Sustained Use Pallet.
This is really a unique product.
We firmly believe it'll change the shipping industry as we know it.
We immediately knew that this would be perfect for the industry.
The idea started with a simple frustration with the business.
Pallets are a necessary evil.
My father, who's a truck driver, I said, "Dad, what do you think of pallets?" And he said, "Oh, I hate them. Everybody hates them."
Nobody particularly likes the pallet industry.
Not only are the people who use pallets unhappy with the industry, but the people who make pallets are unhappy with the industry.
So we started looking at all the issues and all the problems that are inherent in our industry and tried to solve them one by one.
The whole concept of this bumper came from such a dissatisfaction and almost a failure in the business.
There's so many issues and so many problems within the current industry that are screaming to be solved.
You've been using disposable labor to make a disposable product.
The wood pallets are basically becoming throwaway pallets. So they're trying to make it as cheap as possible to get their product to market, and then they don't care, they throw it away.
The drawback has been that there's very little physical support for the pallet.
The block pallet industry it causes huge dissatisfaction.
When a forklift hits one of the blocks, typically it'll bust right out.
They're just constantly suspect to damage.
And the life of them is quite poor.
Plastic pallets are cracking, breaking, being ground up, not retrievable.
If you look at most plastic pallets today, they're in two pieces, and if you lift up on them from the top, you can pop them in half.
With 90% of the damage occurring to the point of entry of a pallet, you had to have something to protect the pallet.
Look at the way the forklift operators work. You know, they pick up a pallet and they nudge it over to align it. When they pick that up, they're picking it up by the lead board.
The damage to the pallet is done on these lead boards.
Our pallets, our patented design does not have a lead board. We have replaced that with the composite material.
We're the only people that have been able to mold a plastic component that is able to encapsulate the end of the pallet, and that's what is the key to our strength. It's what makes it basically indestructible. We've done drop tests that shows that our pallet far exceeds any of the models that are in current use. There's much research that went into the development of this process and this product.
Strength, stiffness, durability, functionality, and environmental impact.
Without damage, without collapse, without production loss.
It is as durable as we say it is. There are so many benefits to using a Greenline Armor SUP.
It's 100% recyclable from bumper to bumper.
Even in the manufacturing process, we recycle our own materials.
When the average wood pallet is used 1.5 times before it is either destroyed, rebuilt, or thrown away, I mean, it screams to be redone.
Every year, 223 million pallets go into landfills.
It's been raping our timbers and filling our landfills for 6 decades.
Our goal is to reduce landfill waste by 100 million pallets a year.
One of our sustained pallets in its usable life will save 38 trees in its lifetime.
An SUP, or a hybrid SUP, is a sustained use pallet.
This sustained use pallet will be used over and over again.
The SUP will day after day do its job.
It's designed to be recaptured.
We RFID tag our items so that the customer knows where their product is at, and the customer knows when the product goes out the door and when it comes back to them.
The RFID unit allows for accurate tracking and no guesswork.
That replaces the original concept of buying a one-way pallet, throwing it away.
That pallet leaves your manufacturing facility and it is retrieved and used over and over again.
Rather than buy 15, 20, 30 throwaway, reversible, one-way pallets, you buy one pallet that you use over and over again.
This product is responsible to the end user.
We've eliminated nails that pop up and cause damage to product.
You can save 90,000 nails by using Greenline Armor pallets.
We've eliminated the ability of the 2x4 to crack and break by encapsulating the ends. Doing that for our environment while they're saving money.
We're coming into the greenest decade of our lives. We honestly believe we can take a blue-collar industry and join it with a green-collar industry.
We don't believe that being environmentally friendly should be unfriendly to your pocketbook.
Their bottom line will be better by using this pallet.
It makes you feel good while you save money.
It's time for change.
This is an idea that is so simple and yet so wonderful that it's going to revolutionize the shipping industry.
And it'll be an industry standard.
This is not your granddaddy's pallet.
The pallet worries are over now.
I think it's hugely exciting to be involved in a venture like this.
You have the ideal product.
This is like a smart pallet.
We believe in our product. It is a significant innovation.
This product is more responsible to the pallet industry, more responsible to the people it serves.
We know that that industry needs responsibility. It needs Green Line armor.